Did you know that professional photographers often spend hours in Photoshop to make their images pop? Ever wondered how to make your photos look like they were taken by a pro? Well, stick around because I'm about to share some game-changing tricks that will take your editing skills to the next level. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Photoshop, and I'm excited to share 5 essential tricks that can elevate anyone's photo editing game to a professional level. Whether you're a complete newbie or just want to polish your skills, these tips are going to make a huge difference. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the common struggles you might face when editing photos. If you're just starting out, you might find yourself feeling overwhelmed by all the tools and options available in Photoshop. Maybe you've tried to enhance your images but they still look flat or unpolished. It can be frustrating, right? You might also feel like you're on a steep learning curve trying to figure out the ins and outs of the software. But guess what? You're not alone. These challenges are what hold many beginners back, but fear not. Today, I'm here to help you break through those barriers and start creating stunning images. Exploration/development. Alright, let's dive into the 5 tricks. First up, we have the Curves Adjustment layer. This tool is fantastic for adjusting brightness and contrast. To use it, go to the Layers panel, click on the new Adjustment layer icon, and select Curves. You'll see a graph where you can manipulate the shadows, midtones, and highlights. Just drag the curve up to brighten or down to darken. This gives your photos a dynamic range like never before. Next, let's talk about selective color. This trick allows you to tweak specific colors in your image without affecting the whole photo. Again, head over to the adjustment layers, select selective color, and choose the color you want to adjust. This is perfect for making your reds pop or toning down distracting colors. Now, onto layer masks. They're your best friend when it comes to non-destructive editing. You can hide or reveal parts of a layer without deleting anything. Just click the layer mask icon, and use a brush to paint over the areas you want to conceal or show. This is super useful for blending images or creating smooth transitions. Fourth on our list is the Clone Stamp tool. If you want to remove distractions or blemishes, this tool is a must. Select the Clone Stamp from the toolbar, hold down the Alt key to sample an area, and then click to paint over the unwanted spot. It's like magic. Finally, we have Smart Sharpen. This will bring out the details in your photos without adding too much noise. Go to Filter, then Sharpen, and select Smart Sharpen. Play around with the sliders until you get that crisp look. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Climax/key moment. Now, for my favorite part. Let's take a look at the most impactful trick, the Curves Adjustment layer. Watch this dramatic before and after transformation. Here's a photo that looks pretty good, but after just a few tweaks with the Curves tool, it completely comes to life. The colors are richer, the shadows deeper, and the highlights are shining. This simple adjustment can elevate your photo from average to wow in seconds. Conclusion/summary. So, to recap, we covered 5 amazing Photoshop tricks today: the Curves Adjustment layer, selective color, layer masks, the Clone Stamp tool, and Smart Sharpen. Each of these techniques can significantly enhance your photo editing results, making your images look professional and polished. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to try out these tricks on your next photo edit and share your results in the comments below. I'd love to see what you create. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome Photoshop tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.